Hi, my name is Jim Brees from GreenGrowth CPAs, and today I want to break down how to calculate cannabis taxes on a non-arm's length transaction. So, before we get started, I need to let you know that the information contained in this video is meant for guidance purposes only and not as professional, legal, or tax advice. Further, it does not give any personalized legal, tax, investment, or business advice in general. So with that out of the way, let's hop right in. Distributors are micro businesses that are authorized to operate as distributors, are required to calculate and collect the 15% cannabis tax from cannabis retailers on the sale or transfer of cannabis or cannabis products based on the average market price of the cannabis. Now, in a non-arm's length transaction, generally when a cannabis retailer is also the distributor, the average market price of the cannabis is equal to the gross receipts, and the 15% cannabis excise tax is applied to the gross receipts of the retail sale of the cannabis. So what is included in gross receipts? Well, gross receipts includes all of the charges related to the sale of the cannabis, such as labor, services, and certain transportation charges. For example, as a retailer, when you deliver cannabis to your customers using your own vehicle and there is no explicit written agreement prior to the delivery that passes title to the purchaser before delivery, the charge for that delivery is included in the gross receipts subject to the cannabis excise tax. Additionally, if you add separate amount to your customer's invoice or receipts to cover the cannabis business tax required by your city, that amount is included in the gross receipts and subject to the cannabis excise tax as well. All right, now I know that's a lot of information, a lot of, legal jargon type of thing, or very cut and dry. Let's look at a concrete example with some real numbers, okay? So say you're a licensed micro business that's authorized to cultivate, distribute, and make retail sales of cannabis. Say you sell your cannabis flowers to retail customers for $35 per eighth of an ounce, and you charge $5 for delivery. And at this point, you have an 8.5% sales tax and a 10% business tax. Let's take a look at the tax calculation. There are three taxes that will be assessed: the cannabis business tax, the excise tax, and the sales tax. So, first, the sales price of the cannabis is $35. The cannabis tax is 10%, so your cannabis business tax is $3.50. Delivery cost is $5. So your subtotal, which is going to be $35 plus $3.50 plus $5, is $43.50. The excise tax is applied to this subtotal, and it's 15%, which is $6.53. So now the total sales tax is applied to that subtotal. So the subtotal from above is $43.50 plus $6.53, which comes to $50.03. Your sales tax rate is 8.5%, so that's $50.03 times 0.085, which is $4.25, or 8.5% of $50.03. At the end, when it's all said and done, the total due is $50.03 plus $4.25, which is $54.28. Okay, so your $35 eighth comes out to a total cost of $54.28. Now, since you were a micro business from this example, the distribution part of your business is responsible for reporting and paying the cannabis excise tax of $6.53, which is the $43.50 times 15%, to the CDTFA on your cannabis tax return, along with the cultivation tax that is due on the cannabis flowers that entered into the commercial market. Now, the cannabis retail part of your business is responsible for reporting and paying the sales tax, which is the $4.25, which the calculation came from $50.03 times 8.5%, and you pay this to the CDTFA on your sales and use tax return. Now, I know we hit a lot of details here, a lot of numbers, a lot of percents flying around the screen, but hopefully this video has helped illustrate how the cannabis excise tax is calculated on a non-arm's length transaction. But please note, this does not address all the requirements for the cannabis industry, so please consult a tax professional for your specific situation or scenario. And if you think it would be helpful to review your tax calculations or even your cannabis business in totality, then you can reach out to us and get in touch with GreenGrowth CPAs by reaching out to us via our website, greengrowthcpas.com, or you can give us a call at 800-674-9050. I hope this video was helpful. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.